welcome back to my channel. We are at Walmart trying to get some stuff for the fall season, and I got my family with me. Maybe what we get in today?
Everything was fine.
Well, besides that, we're gonna try to get some decorations for the fall season, and we are going to be getting some what is it called?
Vitamins,
Vitamins,
vitamin C, vitamins.
yes. So we're gonna be stocking up on vitamins and stuff for the baby just in case he gets sick. Oh, this is cute.
Like that?
No, not really.
Tell them which one we picked. This one actually smells good, so they'll be saying.
It's mild.
You don't like it? Nah.
It smells like a Starburst, like the candy.
Let me smell it. They really do.
Like the pink Starburst.
Like.
Let me see. I want to let the people know. Okay, y'all. We is in the cereal out, and y'all, we tried these cinnamon toast crunch rolls, and they are so good. They are good. So if y'all can get some, I would advise y'all.
Recommend y'all to get them. If y'all got like a little sweet tooth in the morning, and you don't want to eat like regular oatmeal, omelet or nothing, get y'all some of these.
They are so good.
They gonna stop that sweet tooth in its tracks.
Yeah. Dada. Hi. Hi. So I'm just going to start by taking everything off the table and wiping it down so that I can start by placing our little ornaments on there nice and neat. Although technically I started in the living room, the kitchen is always first on my list. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here, and then I'm going to show you guys some of the cold and flu items that I got from Walmart, which is some Power C gummies, really good for your immune system, some lemon hulls, some black cherry sugar-free hulls, some cherry Ricola, some Dayquil and NyQuil, elderberry syrup, Tylenol, this Caribbean orange candle, this apple and pumpkin candle, and some table decorations as well. I also ordered this fall shower curtain, which looks so good, by the way. I cannot wait for you guys to see me put this up. So this is everything that we ended up getting from the store, and I'm just going to start putting the table decorations together. And shout out to my grandmother for this beautiful decorative bowl that she gifted me with before moving to Arizona. Now I'm just going to add the fall ornaments onto the table, and this came out so cute for what we were going for, which was, something minimal but festive. And this candle smells so good. It has blends of apple, pumpkin, and cinnamon. So if you guys love those fall smells, it's at Walmart by Better Homes and Gardens. Alright y'all, it's almost time for the fun part, but I wanted to wipe everything down first, even though I know it's clean, because I usually do like a deep clean once a week, and I also just keep it clean throughout the week, but I still like to do a light resurface of everything before I put up new towels and shower curtains. So yeah, I make sure to spray everything down with this Clorox bleach spray. And I didn't get it on camera, but I also make sure to spray everything down once more with disinfectant spray as well. And yes, I did color coordinate the garbage bin with the colors of the shower curtain because, first of all, it just makes sense to do it that way. And I'm not a person who likes to throw things in an empty bin. So this is how I turn our plastic bags into a garbage bag, okay? Yeah, you just make sure that you tie it accordingly, make sure it fits the garbage bin. And voila, look at that. Still looks cute, put together, it looks nice. Okay, so lastly, I did want to go ahead and mop today because I usually skip this part just because I always tell myself I'll come back to it later, but we all know what happens when we say that, which is probably why it's never done. And I did notice that there was some dried up toothpaste on the cabinets, so I'm just going to clean that up. But moving on, I also want to show you guys what products I like to use when I mop the floor. And no lie, this combo that I use will have your house smelling exactly like the laundromat. Like, it smells so good. I absolutely love that fresh linen smell. So make sure to comment down below if you tried this combo. We're going to start with the Dawn dishwashing liquid. Make sure to add hot water first, some Fabuloso, some Homeline bleach, and then the Downy Unstoppable booster beads in the scent Fresh. And that's pretty much all I use. So if you're running low on candles or plugins, this alone will do the trick. Alright y'all, so now the fun can begin. I'm going to start by taking this shower curtain down first. Also going to be using the same hooks from this shower curtain just because the one that came with this one just looks so dull and boring, which I was surprised to see because I had actually ordered this one from off of Amazon, and then the other one I got from our dollar store. So yeah. And these are the hooks that came with the shower curtain from Amazon compared to the other one from the dollar store. Okay, I know I'm kind of standing in the way, but what do y'all think so far? Like, I give this one a thumbs up. I really love the text on it. I love the color blend. It's a 10 out of 10 for me. We're also going to go in with this orange towel to really add to the shower curtain and make it pop. And then this one is more like a maple leaf or like a dark red color. And I'm just going to add this on top of the orange. And I really loved how these two colors came together. It was so cute. And I just really liked the outcome a lot. And now we just gonna set it off with the blue. And I really was not expecting this blue to hit like it did, but it definitely put a twist to the fall decor in a good way. So last but not least, we just gonna set everything off with this mustard rug. It really displays fall spirit without going above and beyond our means. And that's all that I was going for. I really just wanted to do something where, you know, we could spend a little bit of money and still be in the spirit, still be festive. And I really feel like we just accomplished the look that we were going for. And shout out to Babe for picking all of the towels and color patterns. He did a very good job, and I was so proud of him because even this blue that he picked out, like, nothing in the bathroom is blue, but it just hits so well. Moving on to the living room, I only wanted to do something different with our couch because that's really the statement piece in our living room. So I had ordered these cute pillow covers from Amazon. Look how cute they are, which I thought I was ordering the couch pillows itself, but it turns out it was only the pillow covers. So we had to make it work. But wait, why did I try to take the whole stuffing out of the pillow, y'all? I just knew for a fact it wouldn't fit inside the pillow cover. So I was really trying to take the stuffing out. But babe was like, no, let me see. Let me handle this. So he had to step in and help me because I was really about to mess something up. So yeah, as y'all can see, we were struggling for a second, but you know, I stepped in and helped him and we got it together and we fit the pillow covers over our couch pillows. You better go ahead now, because I was about to mess something up, y'all. As y'all can see, I clearly didn't have it under control. So we ended up laughing about it, and the pillows did a really good job adding to our living room. So yeah, we're just gonna mess around with these pillows for a little while longer. And this is how it turned out. And look at us, just some big kids. I wanted to give you guys a quick montage of how everything looked after it was decorated. So tell me what you guys think of our minimalist fall home decor. So it is a little while later and we're making spaghetti and catfish. And some of the clips I didn't get on my camera, but I did get on my cell phone. So I will definitely add those clips in towards the end of the video. But yeah, I just made us some cocktails and now I'm just gonna wait for my food to get ready. And I think I'm just gonna stop the video here and you guys will see those clips of the food later towards the end of the video if you continue to watch. Make sure to like this video because it does help out with the algorithm and it also just lets me know what type of content you guys want to see. So make sure to like the video and subscribe. All right, I love you guys so much and thank you to everyone who has subscribed so far, and I will see you guys in the next video.